Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Charms Lifestyle channel. I am here looking through my window guys, and I am just giving you a little update on what the weather is like here in the south of France, Nice, in my area. It's bleaky, the rain is slightly drewing, it's a bit windy. It seems as if we're gonna get some rain today, but I wouldn't mind it because it's been quite a while since we have not had good rain. I mean, like for about 2 years now, we haven't had some good rain falling at this end. So I wouldn't mind we getting some rain today. I am looking forward to this. So it is now 7 a.m. in the morning, and this is what the time is looking like. And as the day goes by, I will give you an update of whether or not the rain came down. So this is from my window guys. This is from my window. This is my surrounding. You see over there, you see that bridge over there, you see that gully as we would call it over there. When rain falls, I am telling you, it's full. And I want to show you that whenever the time comes. So this is 7 a.m. in the morning. 7 a.m. in the morning. So as I said before, as the day goes by, I will give you an update of what the day looks like, whether it rains or not. And guys, if you are watching this video and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so with that post notification bell on, so you will be notified when I post the next video. And also you can go and follow me at Charms_Lifestyle on Instagram, my business page at Golden Charm Beauty Palace, and my daughter's business page at Deja's Fashion District. So guys, do what you have to do and become a part of Charms Lifestyle channel. So for now guys, I'm out. So guys, I'm back with you once more. It's now 11:30 and the rain is finally coming down. It's not falling hard, but I don't know if you can see the raindrops. It's not very hard. So the rain is coming down, and I hope that it will come down harder. I hope it falls very hard. I am dying for some rain to fall guys, because at least It keeps the time very cool. The time is not very hot now because of these setups and fine drawing of the rain. It keeps the place very cool. So I'm still here hoping that it could fall heavily. Look, I don't know if you can see the raindrops. So again, I say this is, I look up outside through my window, through my window, through my window. Anyway guys, I am back with you again. Look at the time guys, look at the day. Look, this is how the day turns out. From a bleaky day to a sunny day. It is now 4 p.m. and it's very sunny. From a bleaky day to a sunny day. From a bleaky day to a sunny day. See guys, I'm at the stoplight. See? Look at the vehicles. It's very busy. It's a busy day. It's peak hours now. Everyone is rushing to get home, so that's why the road is looking like. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new, with that post notification bell, so you will be notified when I post my next upload. And thank you all for watching. So Charms Lifestyle will see you in her next video. That's the siren guys, that's the tram.